Welcome back to the Joom United channel. Today I want to show you how our powerful plugin transforms your Joomla site with seamless Google Sheets import and synchronization. Picture yourself effortlessly managing data. Whether it's product listings, event schedules, or member directories, without the hassle of manual updates, this plugin brings a dynamic solution to your fingertips, allowing you to import tables directly from Google Sheets with just a few clicks. Once integrated, it synchronizes your data in real time, ensuring every change you make in your spreadsheet instantly reflects on your Joomla site, keeping everything current and accurate. You'll discover the ability to handle large data sets with ease, making it perfect for businesses tracking inventory or organizations managing complex schedules. The plugin offers flexible customization, letting you adjust table layouts and styles to match your site's design. It also supports automatic updates, reducing the risk of outdated content, and provides secure access to your data across platforms. Whether you're a small business owner or a Joomla developer, this tool streamlines your workflow, saving time and enhancing user experience. Let's dive into how this integration can elevate your site's functionality and keep your visitors engaged with up-to-date information. Droptables offers a real spreadsheet interface, allowing you to edit tables directly in Joomla with ease, eliminating the need for HTML and CSS knowledge. It supports one-click table themes, Excel and Google Sheet synchronization, calculation functions, and auto-generated charts, making it a versatile tool for dynamic content creation. Whether you're managing product lists or event schedules, this plugin simplifies your workflow. For Joomla web owners, Droptables shines in real-world practice. Imagine effortlessly importing an Excel file with product details, syncing it with Google Sheets for real-time updates, and displaying it on your site with a stylish theme, all from your editor, working seamlessly in both front-end and back-end. You can apply custom styles to cells, rows, and columns, and even create responsive tables for mobile users. This practical approach saves time, enhances site functionality, and boosts visitor engagement with interactive data displays. Let's explore how Droptables empowers you to manage content efficiently and elevate your Joomla site's performance. Excited to sync your Google Sheets with Droptables on your Joomla site? Begin by accessing Droptables under Components in your Joomla dashboard. Inside the interface, you'll find options to create different table types. First, create a category table to organize your content. This acts as a container, letting you group related tables, such as product categories or event types, for better management. Next, set up a table for input data. Here, you can manually enter details like product names, prices, or event dates, providing a spreadsheet-like environment to build your data directly. Finally, add a table database, designed to store and manage larger data sets, such as customer records or inventory lists, with advanced sorting and filtering capabilities. Next, to synchronize your Google Sheets with your table, create a table you want to use and go to your sheet. Click File in the top menu, then select Share to Web. This generates a public link, enabling Droptables to access your data securely. Adjust the sharing settings to anyone with the link can view for proper synchronization. Then click Publish and copy the provided URL. Now, switch to your table and hit the Import/Export tab. Paste the copied Google Sheets link into the Google Sheets URL field. Save the table to initiate the sync process. This links your spreadsheet to Droptables, updating your Joomla table with real-time data from Google Sheets. After syncing your spreadsheet, you can enhance the visual appeal and ease of management, such as change the theme color to match your site's design, choosing from options like blue or green, which improves readability and creates a cohesive look. This customization simplifies management by making tables stand out. Next, apply various formatting features. Enable sorting by clicking column headers to order data, such as arranging products by price for quick access. Add filters to narrow down content, like showing items in a specific category, enhancing user navigation. These tools work seamlessly with your synced data, allowing real-time updates while offering a polished presentation. Visit the front end to see your table with vibrant colors, sorted data, and filtered results, delivering a professional and user-friendly experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights and visit the link below for various offers to enhance your Joomla experience.